Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Simon Plays at Subnautica Below Zero, of all things. And we are getting closer to winter when I'm recording this. Now we are up here. Last episode we just met with the grumpy old lady again at the greenhouse in one of these icebergs up here. And I think the next thing we should go to is this biological research classified area, which is down here in these lily pad field, I suppose it is. I'm not sure what it is. Yeah, so let's do that. And also we can find lithium, gold and silver. That would be great. Now we want to go south, I suppose. Yeah. Nose is acting up a little bit. I'm in the basement. Let's go south. So, in the basement. My voice sometimes make it a little bit strained. It's not the best place, but yeah, we'll manage. Let's get down here and see if we can find gold and lithium. Now if we get more silver, that would be a bad item. Yeah, that's a copper titanium thing. Well, everything contains titanium potentially, but it looks pretty dead down here, to be honest. It does go down somewhat deep. Yeah.
Entering ecological dead zone. The prospect for survival is fast approaching zero.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, right. I would say this is the edge of the map, right? Right. Yeah. Jesus. Yeah, let's not go that way then. All right. That's why everything is. All right, let's get back to the direction towards the lily pad field. Or whatever it is, these things are. Yeah, I can't do anything with that. Let's take a look at that map again. Does that mean I'm down here? I don't think so. That doesn't look like there's anything up there. There's nothing down here, it seems. I'll find something here now. Now we're getting into a more lively area. Yeah, there's cover. Yeah. Now the corner of my eyes, I thought that would be lithium. Now this looks like the lily pad area that we saw from the iceberg, right? And you got these giant lily pads. So there's an Omega thing in here somewhere. Let's go find it. Biological lab. Just gonna see what that's all about. As we can see it. I don't know if it's above or below water. So let's just dive down here. Let's just take a look. Yeah, it's fairly deep here. Perhaps we already investigated that area. And I just don't realize it. But we'll see. Sure. Yeah. So this is not a new area then. This is down to these anemones and all that, right? It's not a new area. So, okay, so if we've done that, got the robotic sensor, this, we got that for sure. We got Outpost Zero, we got the copper mining site, this is the Omega lab. Yeah, I think we got all these places to be honest. So is it just random now? It's gotta be something. Some kind of clue. Yeah, you should probably look for that. Yeah, I'm gonna look for. Oh, where is it? I'm gonna look for this Omega lab, just to make us certain that we actually found it. Let's take a look at all these lily pads. Something on top of some of these. some kind of sulfur. Yeah, I don't think we need that for anything. Let's see, 55, 64. Yeah, I wish it would take from there. I wanted the lowest charge, but yeah. Yeah, we could use another piece of silver, right? So we can make that power cell. It's just a couple of titanium stuck in the wall there. Copper, silver. Reset this. How annoying. Just rudely interrupting me. Alright. Well. There you go. Lithium. Well, yeah, let's go to somewhere else with that guy around. Don't want to get eaten. Oh, we had 64. How can it be so low? Something must have been attacking this thing. I don't know. Yeah, but if you can fix it over here. Perhaps this is not the best place for lithium. Gold is the next thing we need. Yeah, it is pretty. So there's another silver right here. It's amazing. I do believe we fully explored this one. The front, yeah, I think we got all the things we need for that. Yeah. And we didn't leave anything in here. So yeah, probably need to go deeper for lithium. So let's go deeper. with the recyclotron we could repurpose our power cells. Got quite a lot of those, and if we're going to switch into these iron ones, get some resources back from those. Alright, going down. Is this the dead zone? Let's just see what happens here. Yeah, this is a bit scary. Oh yeah. That's alright. Alright. Let's get back up. Oh Jesus. Yeah. Get them to stay. Yeah, we're 69% now. Yeah. I wish it warned us every time. Instead of just once. The dead zones. Alright. Let's get fixing. We need this guy in good working condition. Alright. Yeah, in the wind garden. Yeah. Let's see, perhaps we could find some lithium in this area. Gold would be pretty cool as well. That looks like the thermal one. That's gold, right? Ah, I got lithium as well. Gold. And this is thermal plant. That's the lithium. So one more piece of gold. That might be it. If we're lucky. No. Ah, come on. There you are. We can make one of the iron cells now. Let's just get the other piece of gold. And then perhaps I should make the recyclotron. To have more storage space on this sea truck thing. Let's see if we missed any. Let's get some oxygen. I don't want to drown. So where are we? Let's move closer. That looks like an important place. So it's down there. Ah, blocked. Right. Titanium, that's not what we need. That's better. Alright, we got the gold now. So let's see if there's something to scan.
The artifact you found contains traces of information suggesting what has become of my people.
Gross. No, we got some more of these guys. Let's grab them. Looks like we're gonna need those. Is there anything else down here? I don't think there's anything else. Yeah, let's grab that piece of lithium there. Alright, got another tech thing. Yeah, random exploration for victory. Okay, let's get this guy. Should probably just set up the base. Really? But then again, perhaps you can just build this thing and get some energy. I just building it. We need a little bit more material for the power cell. Yeah, we need silicon, rubber, and wiring kit, so we need silver. That's the rubber. Yeah, we don't have any silver. Did we pick up any silver? No. We need food also. Well, let's oh. Okay, so we need silver. Chance of silver. Yeah, let's go here. It's gonna be down here then. One more silver. Now we're spotting none. Oh yeah, here we go. Great. So we can make something to eat, and we can make this iron battery, iron power cell here. And here we go. Yeah, we need more food. Okay. What are we looking at here? 64. 27. Let's just do that. Yeah, I would like another one of those, to be honest. let's go take a look. We need silver and gold, that's what we need. There's the silver. Let's better get some oxygen now. Alright. Let's take a look here. So, if we repurpose these, yeah, it's just gonna be copper, right? It's not, yeah, it's not worth building the recyclotron for that. Alright, let's go get the gold, if we can find more down here. Nothing there. Yeah. I know you're supposed to find all these things and they're hidden like this. I guess that adds to playing the game again and again. You don't find everything. No luck. Come on, a bunch of diamond down. Good. Alright, that's the goal. Now it's just oh no, hold on, we need 2 of these, right? To make one power cell. We need oxygen as well. So, lithium as well now, but it's the gold I'm worried about, to be honest, because it's down in these crevasses, and now there's the lithium. Alright, now it's just this piece of silver. Alright, great. Now we need the rubber. Okay, that's all the whole thing. Right. Yeah, not good for human health. I didn't scan the vent guard. Let's do that. There you go. Yeah, we need we need 2 pieces of silver. That's right, for the wiring kit. That shouldn't be too hard to find. I hope. Yeah, we can use more food as well if something happens to get close by like that. Yeah, I wish I could pick up those lithiums and storage them away, but yeah, low storage. Gotta be very selective. That's just one, right? Yeah, we need one more. That might be it. It was perfect. Yeah, that's gonna help us with the power issue with this guy here. It's gonna extend our range a lot. So let's see here. There you go. Now we just need the rubber, and we can go back to our starting area for that. Yeah. Alright. Let's do that. Get all that done. So we can get... where is that, by the way? 'Cause this is the Delta station. Yeah, perhaps I removed it from our... it's this one. Oh yeah, I did. Let's get the Delta station off there. There we go. Yeah. That's the thermal one. Don't need it.
The nearby spires are substantial thermal vent structures, hospitable to coral formation.
Mm-hmm. Okay, perhaps there's something special about this. I don't see any. I'm getting stuck on something though. Right. Nah, doesn't look special to me. Yeah, that's gonna be a little bit of sailing, so let's get down to the bottom again and see if there's something of interest as well. Keep finding stuff when exploring in this game. Alright. Nothing there. More water? Yeah, the wetsuit helps a lot in that. Now we just have to worry about food. Yeah, I would like to find that speed module for this thing. Did we check that out? I have a feeling we might have. This is into the thermal vents down here, right? Yeah. Yeah, we've been there. Let's just back out of here. Now. Right, now we're stuck. to the Delta station. So let's keep moving. Almost there. Didn't find anything on the way though. That's how it goes sometimes. Yeah, but that speed boost for this guy here is probably in this area somewhere. Then again, we already found a lot of good stuff in this area. Yeah, I'm not sure where to go next. Yeah, I don't think there will be coming any more waypoints. I think they would have been presented by now. Yeah. We got a fully upgraded guy here, so. Right, we want the rubber. So, so much here. No? I guess not. We know it's fairly close here, so perhaps here then. There you go, there you go. Here they are. So. Ah, come on. And there we go. Silicon rubber. And we can now make that iron power cell. Beautiful. Let's go and install that. Much better. Yep. Now we could just let's see, what do we have? We have 39 minutes. Yeah, I could just go back home and start recharging a bunch of batteries, power cells and all that. But the question is, with iron power cells on this guy, do we need all the backup power cells? Let's see. Let's take some stuff out of here. We just keep 2 backup power cells. Depleted reactor rod. Don't need to hold on to that. Nope. Don't want to right there. Don't need all these. Now let's just keep that. That one we don't need. That's good for a little bit of first aid should we need it. How many batteries do we have here? So we have 3 here. Let's just carry 2 batteries. Okay.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Let's see if this is working. And it is. Yeah, very interesting. Let's just put that stuff in here then. Right. Well, that's good to know. Okay. Don't need these guys. And yeah, that's it, right? Do we have no, we don't have we should probably have a power cell recharger in here. Oh, lithium. Okay. I'm not gonna go get all that if we don't have it. Doesn't look like we have that. We do have for the chip.
Robin, I have something important to share.
Another artifact.
Yes, although
You cannot know for sure what it is, but it is certainly of significant import. I know.
Signal location uploaded to PDA.
Well, I was wrong about the signals. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. We got our next target. We still don't have anything here. No. No. What about the battery charger for that matter? Wiring kit and copper wire. Do we have the silver here? No. What about the copper? Yeah, we do have that. Yeah, I don't want to go do all that. We got the materials in here anyway. Right, so what do we need here? Advanced wiring kit, lithium. I should not be carrying a lot of stuff though. And 2 lithium and 2 titanium. Okay, so that's for that. What about this one? Wiring kit, copper wire, and titanium. So we need this, this, and this. Okay. Let's get recharging, and I can do that in between of episodes. So we are all ready for adventure. When we come back for the next episode. It's probably going to take a while to recharge iron power cell. Probably our... No. Let's get these guys going. Right. What about this one? That's 100. Okay. Hold on. Just want to check the 2 backup power sources we have. We want those to be at 100, right? That's at 94. We can top that off. No point in having a depleted backup power source, right? So, in there you go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. In the next episode, we already got our next beautiful target right down there, the PK8 artifact. We learned that this refrigerator indeed keeps our food perfect condition, so that's great. And I'll be just recharging a little bit here, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.